think debit and credit in accounting is confusing? Not anymore. Let's simplify for you the three core types of accounts and their golden rules. Mastering these golden rules of accounting will eliminate your debit and credit confusion forever. First up, real accounts. These are permanent accounts because the balances at the year end are not closed, instead carried forward to the subsequent year. That's basically your balance sheet items like assets, liabilities, and equity, the stuff you own, owe, and your stake in the business. Say cash 5 lakh at bank or equipment at 2 lakhs. And golden rule number 1, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. If you buy an equipment for 2 lakh, cash goes out, equipment, that is an asset, comes in. So debit equipment account and credit bank account. Next, nominal accounts. These are temporary accounts because their balances are closed at the year end. That's your profit and loss items like incomes, expenses, gains and losses that are adjusted to arrive at the net profit or loss for the year, like sales of rupees 1 lakh, rent paid of 20k. What's the rule here? Rule number 2. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So, debit rent because rent paid is an expense and credit the property owner to whom it's payable. Similarly, credit sales cause it's income and debit the customer from whom you have to receive. Finally, personal accounts. These relate to individuals, firms or organizations with whom the business has financial dealings. They are a subset of real accounts. Think your property owner to whom you owe a rent of 20k or your customer who pays you 1 lakh on credit sales. These are your personal accounts. And the golden rule number 3, debit the receiver, credit the giver. If your customer pays you rupees 1 lakh, she or he is the giver, so credit customer's account and debit the bank account because debit what comes in from rule number 1. Similarly, when you pay rent 20k, you debit the property owner who is the receiver and credit bank account cause credit what goes out from rule number 1. And there you have it, the 3 types of accounts and their golden rules.